Hello world, here's BD, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your update for Bitcoin. Today it's a long update. Today I have a lot of things to talk, and guys, I'm making this one live today. So I'm live on Twitch, I'm live on YouTube, and I'm live here with some guys. So if I'm talking to these guys, never mind guys, they are live for the moment and you can join this live stream every time. Satoshi would buy deeper. Okay, he's okay. Now let's go. Let's go. Here is CoinMarketCap, and we are starting with CoinMarketCap as every time. We can see what is going on with these coins for the moment, and yes, the coins are going. Some coins are going up a little bit, some coins are going down a little bit. Not all are in the red, not all are in the green. Let's check it, guys. We have here Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going down a little bit, 0.77%. It's now under 42,000. The week is really bad. 11.11%. You can see it in the red chart picture. It's going down. Ethereum, 0.76%. Yes, it's going up a little bit, but it's going down more as Bitcoin in the week, 13.3%. We can see it here, guys. Bitcoin dominance, 39.9%, and the Ethereum dominance went down 19.3%. We saw here a much higher dominance for Ethereum, and now we can watch it here. This is really nice on CoinMarketCap. We can use this picture, and you can see, yes, Bitcoin dominance is going down, and you can see Ethereum dominance is also going down, but the altcoins, the other altcoins, this gray line here, this gray line is growing. So interesting. The other altcoins are growing. Ethereum is going down. Bitcoin is also going down. Let's move on. Hey, Lighthorn. Okay. This one is the next thing, guys. The Binance Coin is going up a little bit, but 11.44% in the minus. Solana, 15% in the minus. It's going down really hard. Solana in the day, 4% in the plus. And XRP is going down. ADA Cardano is going down. XRP is going down. Terra Luna is going down so much. Polkadot is going down. Avalanche is going down. The Dogecoin, the Shiba Inu is going down. Polymatic is going down in the week. So Chainlink is one of the coins they are mooning for the moment. You can see it here. Look at this chart picture here. 32% in the plus and 8% here in the week. So this is a big thing. What's going on with Near Protocol? Near Protocol is going up a little bit. And on the daily, it's going down. Hey, GM, now it's in English. I hope you can understand my really bad English. Sorry about this. Bitcoin Cash is going down so hard. Cosmos Atom is going up 17%. The Phantom is going up 14%. Stellar XLM is going down a little bit. Internet Computer ICP up 31.32%. And these coins are all going down. Where is my coin? Where is my IOTA? I'm looking for IOTA. Here it is. IOTA is going down really hard, 1.11% on the day, 17% minus in the week, $1.12. I have a really nice video out there for IOTA. Is it now the time to buy IOTA? Please watch it. Hug back, Lighthorn, hug back. So, okay, now let's move on. Here is the Fear and Greed Index. We have extreme fear in the market. Yes, you can see it. Extreme fear here. 10 points, extreme fear. Yesterday, extreme fear, 18 points. Last week, extreme fear 21 points, and last month only fear with 29. So what we are watching here is the Bitcoin technical analysis. This is TradingView, and this is telling us for the months, for the big time frame. We have to watch this. You have great English. Oh, thank you so much. I will send you one Bitcoin now at the moment, GM. Now at the moment. Okay, 1 month we can see we should buy. This is the summary. On the monthly, we have a buy here. Okay, this is telling us, yes, the big picture is for the upside. I'm not sure about this. We will talk about this a little bit later. But this one is telling us buy Bitcoin. Okay. The next thing is the oscillators are neutral. They don't know what to do. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, the weekly. And the weekly, now we are starting with the bad news. The weekly is telling us, sell your Bitcoin, throw away. The oscillators, sell your Bitcoin. The summary, sell your Bitcoin. The moving averages, sell your Bitcoin. Everything is telling us, throw away your Bitcoin, not a financial. Lighthorn, maybe it's the bottom. Lighthorn, I will show you something special soon. Summary, sell Bitcoin, strong sell. The moving averages, strong sell. But here, the little oscillators are telling us, oh yes, come on, buy Bitcoin. So it's a mixed picture on the day. The summary is telling us, yes, we should sell. The 4 hour, sell, strong sell, neutral oscillators. 2 hours, sell, and the buy for the oscillators. Interesting. And the 1 hour, neutral, do nothing. Okay, that's the big picture from TradingView. It's not helping us so much, but we know now the time frames, what they are telling us, and this is not so bad to know. So what is going on here? This is Coin Codex. I love Coin Codex. For the most times it's not working, but I love it. You can see it here, the price prediction for the next 7 days for Coin Codex. You can see we are going down a little bit more, 41,000. We will hold maybe the support, then up a little bit, 42,000. Down again, 40,000. We will lose the support, not good. And after this, 43,000, and then down again. We have an extreme fear, yes. We have a bearish sentiment. You can see it here. We can see we are only 24% bullish. We are bearish 76%. The most of these indicators are telling us sell, 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 sell. Okay, sell. And we have some buy here, but not so much. If we are watching this one, this is the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin, Angry Higgy is always telling this the Bitcoin. It's the Bitcoin. No, it's the Bitcoin key price levels. And this one is telling us we have a support here on 40,600. The next support, 39,700. And the biggest support of all, 38,500. The maximum strength here. This is the support pivot point number 3. Resistance levels. Yes, we have resistance to the upside. 42,760, the next one 42,000, and here we have number 3, 44,800. This is the biggest resistance to the upside, the maximum strength. So, and if we are watching the next 7 days here, what can we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, what can we see? We are going up a little bit, down a little bit, down a little bit more, up a little bit, down a little bit, down a little bit, and at the end of the week, we are here again. Okay. This is the price prediction. It's not the best thing to watch for the moment, guys. Let me show you more what is going on to the end of the year, end of the months. And we can see this, guys. We will go up a little bit here. Maybe January the 16th, we will reach 43,000. After this, we will go down, 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 down. Here, minus 6.5%. Here, minus 6.9%. 39,000 will be the bottom, maybe. They are telling us 39,000 will be the bottom. 39,000 is here the biggest support point here in this area. Okay, after this we will go up. At the end of January we have a little down, 41,600, but then we will go up. We will start with February the 1st, and then we will go to the moon, 47,000. Yeah, okay, let's see Coin Codex. GM, BD, focus on chart and see where 38, 36k and 29, 22k with a possible long quick. I will check this GM and you will be really surprised. I will show you this one. I have a bad hair day, I see it. Okay, now bad hair day here on the end of the day. So let's move on. Let's check the next thing. Let's check this one, the candlestick pattern. Let's start with the monthly time frame. We saw here on the monthly, this one, the 3 outside up. What happened? Yes, we saw a nice pump to the upside. After this, we went down. Okay, next, the weekly. Hey, Saparek, greetings. Thanks for following. On the weekly, we saw a doji star. This one here, a bullish reversal and a harami. Yes, we went up a little bit, but with this week, it was a really big problem. You can see it, a really big problem. Let's check the daily time frame. Here is the daily. We saw a bullish engulfing. What happened? We went down. So it's not always 100% working. Yes, I know it, guys. It's not always 100% working, but it's always interesting to watch this. This was a false, this was not a good one. It was a medium reliability, a bullish reversal, but no, we went down. So the next one, what we can see is the 5-hour time frame, and we saw here a hammer, a bearish hammer, a hammer. And this one was one of the things I lost a little bit money because I saw here the doji star also, a doji star and a harami. And I thought, guys, this is the end of this. We will see a next pump to the upside. What happened? We went down. So I made a stop loss. I do not lose too much money, or I lost not too much money, but I lost some money because of this damn doji star here. Okay, that's this picture. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see this one here. We have here nice morning doji star. Here, a doji star, a bullish one with a medium reliability. That means maybe we are going up from here. This was maybe the bottom. Maybe. This is telling us here our investing.com coin, how should I say, candlestick pattern. So sorry. Now let's go in this one. Let's remove here all things. Let's remove the drawings. Let's remove this one. I will show you this a little bit later. We will go in the 1-hour time frame, and we are starting with this one, guys. We are starting with this picture on the 1-hour time frame. First of all, we can see this one. Yes, we have a bad downtrend. That's this one, a bad bearish downtrend. It's a red one. And yes, we are going down really hard in this downtrend. Okay, the next thing is this one. We lost here our nice lowest point here. It was this point. It's about price about 42,000. We are at the same price now again, but we lost this support. We spiked down here to the downside. That's not good for the moment. Now, what can we check here? We can check here the Fibonacci retracement, highest point to the lowest point, this one here, and we are in the 1 hour time frame again, and we can check this one here. First of all, if we can break up to the upside, we have the bad line here, that's the uptrend channel, and we have also here this one, 47,000. That's the Fibonacci line, and you can see it's working really good. You can see it here, you can see it here. On this point here, it was a big fight. Here it was a big fight. Look at this, guys. We fight it so often, 47,300. It's a really big resistance line here. And also the next one, if we can go up more, you can see it here, the fight, you can see it here, the fight, you can see it here, the fight. We saw a lot of fights here on this point also. So we need to watch these targets if we can go up more and more. I'm not telling you that you are going up for the moment, guys, but if we have 51,000 here as next target, 47,000 here, and so on. The next stuff, what we can watch here is let me show you the 4 hour time frame. That's this one. No, let's remove this stuff. Let me show you a big thing. I would like to show you here a big thing before we are going deeper here. Guys, I'm watching this pattern, and it's a really bad, awesome pattern. And if this is playing out for the moment, and it looks like it's playing out, we have really big problems. Everyone would like to know if this is the bottom. Everyone is asking me, where is the bottom? 38,000, 36,000, GM, 29,000, 22,000. First of all, we can see it here before we're watching this pattern. We can see here this points here to the downside. We can see here, this one here is a really big support area. Why? Because you can see it here. We saw so much spikes here on these points. This point is a support area at 29,000. Okay. That's, first of all, in my opinion, one of the biggest things to watch if you're going down more and more and more. But before we are going down so deep, let's watch this one. We saw here a spike, a perfect spike here to this point. So let's make also here a nice support line like this one here. That's the first big support. And we are really close to this support. And what is this support point? It's a price about 39,500. So in my opinion, this area is our first thing to watch here if we're going down more and more, 39,500. If we will lose this support we have here on the downside, 29,500. If we will lose 29,500, we have some next big problems here, and we have some next support zones to watch, but it's not so important at the moment. More important at the moment is this one. Let's start with the bullish thing. Let me show you the bullish thing. I checked this chart picture. I studied it yesterday night a little bit. This is the weekly time frame. And now, guys, in my opinion, the biggest thing to watch is for the moment here, if you're watching the weekly time frame, a line from here to here. That's the trend line. It's like this one here. And zoom out a little bit more. Line from, let me zoom out. From the downside here. It's not so important if you're picking it up from this point here. No, from this point here. This was the beginning of the pump. Over this point here to the upside. What can we see? What can we see now? We have here a rising wedge. A rising wedge, and in my opinion, this is for the moment one of the important things to watch, guys. It's the bullish stuff. I am showing you now the bullish stuff. Sit back, relax, let's watch the bullish stuff. Maybe we can see something like this here. Maybe we can see now here a fight. Then we will see an upgoing price again, and downgoing price again, an upgoing price again, and downgoing price again. The big question is, guys, can we break out here to the upside, or can we break out to the downside? That's the big thing. Will we break down here to the downside, or will we break up here to the upside? That's the bullish stuff for the moment, in my opinion. That's the big bullish stuff if you're watching the weekly time frame. We have a lot of things to watch. I know it, guys. We have a lot of patterns. We have a lot of indicators, but I'm showing you today in this long video. It's a long video. Every opportunity, and you can see if we will lose this point, if we will lose here, this 39,500, 39,900, we have a big problem. If we can hold it, we have a next pump to the upside maybe. We have a next pump to the upside maybe to 70,000. Maybe. Down again, maybe to 52,000. Up again, maybe to 75,000. That are the big things I can watch here if I'm watching here the weekly time frame. And this is one of the important things, and that makes me a little bit bullish. But guys, I will show you soon what's making me really bearish. But this is a bullish stuff. So, yay, GM. Okay. Okay. That's this stuff. Guys, we have a technical target. If we can break out here to the upside, I can't predict where is the point. I can't predict if we can, but this is the line we have to use, and we can put it here on this point. And if we can break out to the upside, we have here maybe a price about 120,000. Yeah, let's buy Lambos. Let's go to the moon. Yeah, let's go to Dubai and drink some water there. Yeah. Okay. This is the bullish stuff for this analysis. So let's end the video with the bullish stuff. Or no, okay, it's not the end. We have some other stuff to watch, and this is not so nice, guys. First of all, I show you this one. This is the Bitcoin stock to flow model live chart picture. And in this one, it's updated every 5 minutes. So it's live. So in this one, we can see we should be on a price here about it's not so important. Look at this. We should be on a price about bad hair day. We should be on a price about 108,000. That's telling us the stock to flow model. We are on a price about 43,000. That's the big thing. We are here a halfway down under this important stock to flow line. If we can fight it back, we will reach 111,000. You can see it here, maybe 111, 110,000. If we are watching this one here, it's maybe a next thing to reach here to 120,000. So why not to reach here 120,000? GM, 37,400 is the key. Tell me why. Tell me why. Make a drawing here on TradingView and put the link in the description, or put the link in the chart and send it to me. I will check it. This is one of the things, guys. Now, I showed you this positive stuff. Let me show you the not so positive stuff. Let's go in the daily. Let's go on here with this work. Now, what are we building here? What are we making here? We are making here a shoulder, a head, a shoulder. And guys, now it comes. Attention, attention, attention. We have here a trend line over these points here to the upside. We have here one hit. We have here the next one. And we had here the last one, guys. That's a really bad stuff I would like to show you. That are really bad news, because if this shoulder at shoulder is playing out to the upside, for the moment it looks like that we play it out to the downside. Hey, DNY, lol back. So if we are going down here under the trend line, we have a really awesome, ugly, bad target. And this is the thing what I would like to show you this point. Though. And the target, the technical target to the downside is 15,000. So if we are shorting Bitcoin here, wow, you can make millions maybe. Guys, I'm never shorting Bitcoin. I told you this because for me it's a world-changing system. I'm believing on Bitcoin. I'm never shorting it. But if you are shorting Bitcoin, this is maybe not the baddest moment. Not a financial advice. Because we have a shoulder, head, shoulder. We have a bad target to the downside. We had a breaking of the trend line. We have everything here for this technical target, for this breaking down target to 15,000, guys. GM, it's your crossing trend line support. Okay. 37,400 you said. Okay, I will check it once again. Crossing line from September 2020 when we took off. September 2020. September, you know this, you mean this line? September. Yes, I made a line from here over the upside to here. No. You think this one here. Okay, I don't know. But now, guys, let me show you this one. This is the shoulder, head, shoulder on the daily, and I have another bad picture. I have a really, really bad picture again. Let me show you this one. If this is what I can see here, if this, no, not like this. Let's start again. If this is, as I can see here, an M pattern, we have also a really bad target to the downside. So it doesn't matter if this is an M pattern, we have a target to the downside about 12,000, 11,000, 10,000, or if this is shoulder, head, shoulder pattern, we have also a bad target about 15,000 to the downside. We have some really bad targets if we are going down again more and more and more. So guys, if we will lose our important, really important support line, this one, if we will lose this point here, if we will lose this 40,200, what's the price? No, it's not 40,200, sorry. It's 40,800, about this 45,000. Let me tell it 40,000. If we will lose 40,000, guys, I think we have a really big problem because we will lose the support line and we will see maybe more play out to the upside, to the downside for the shoulder head shoulder pattern or the M pattern. It's a W, not an M. A W. If you are putting a W on the head, it's an M. Okay, I don't know, but for me it's an M pattern here, not a W. Okay, 40,800. Okay, this is this thing. So guys, let me show it a little bit more. Let's remove the drawings and now let me show you here the next stuff. Let me show you the indicators. Here it is. Let me show you the ribbon band indicator. We are here on the daily. On the daily, if we are zooming in, we lost the ribbon band, we lost the EMA 200. Yes, we know it, bad. If we are watching the weekly, look at this, guys. If we are watching the weekly, what happened here? We also lost this ribbon band. So look at this, guys. We saw here, and this is now really, really important. We saw here a nice pump to the upside. We lost the ribbon band. And next pump to the upside, we're losing again the ribbon band. So the big question is now, and that's also a big thing I'm watching, is this now the time to break out again? For the moment, we're going really deep here. We need now a push to the upside really fast. We need a push to the upside. We need long wicks like this one here. We need this long wicks here to push back to the upside. This is important. We need now to push up here to the upside and not to the downside. If we will lose this more and more, we have maybe a big problem, guys. GM, if it's an M, then SPX will also fall to 2,100. For me, it's a clearly M pattern. There's no way to talk about this, that this is not an M pattern. Okay, this is the big thing. So on the weekly time frame, we are about to losing this really important ribbon band. Attention, attention. We have here the EMA 200, 22,000. It's on the downside, but you can see it here. We are losing this. Not nice, not nice. If we are watching the monthly, we have here a really, really, really high line here. It's about, and now it's the price you talked about, this line here. This support line is 37,400. Okay, that's a big, big, big support for the moment because on the monthly time frame, it's the first ribbon band. And since we are making this nice, since October 2020, since we made this nice pump to the upside, we never touched this ribbon band. So I hope we can, or we will not touch this ribbon band. Guys, these are the big time frames. Now, let me show you one thing. This is the Bitcoin dominance. And you know it, guys. If you are trading Bitcoin, you have to watch the Bitcoin dominance. Why? I can tell you. First of all, the Bitcoin dominance is going down. You can see it, a bad parallel channel to the downside. And what's happening now for the moment, we are breaking out. We are breaking out of this parallel channel. That's good. So if you are trading altcoins, attention, attention. For the moment, we are breaking out here a little bit. We have to draw it like this one or like this. It's not so important. We are breaking out of this red downtrend channel here for the moment. And that's maybe the next move for Bitcoin. I don't say we will make a price to the upside. I'm saying you with this stuff, guys, the Bitcoin dominance is breaking out of the downtrend. The Bitcoin dominance is maybe about to grow. And it's better maybe to take an eye on Bitcoin as on the altcoins. I know it, guys. We have 16,500 altcoins. That's not for all altcoins. But this picture is telling us, yes, the Bitcoin dominance is going up maybe a little bit. We are for the moment about 40%. Yes, we are under the middle line. That's bad. But you can see we are breaking out to the upside. And this is maybe a good point to watch more at Bitcoin as on the altcoins. And now the big thing, if we can fight back on the 1 hour time frame. Oh, we are over it. We are over it. Yes, fine. We are over the EMA, and yes, we are over the ribbon band. So guys, nice. We have here now the EMA 200 as a support, and we are fighting with the ribbon band. We need to break out over this one here, and the dominance will grow more and more. And this would be the time for Bitcoin. Great analyze. Thanks, GM. Okay, I like that. GM, thank you. So that's the big stuff. So the dominance, you know it, guys. We lost the parallel channel to the downside, and we broke out to the upside. Nice. Let's go back to this analysis. Guys, what I will like to show you now are the indicators. We are watching the indicators on the, let's start with the week. And let's check here the RSI, and let's check the MACD, and let's go to all time frames. Relative Strength Index is here, and the MACD is also a big thing we have to watch. So here we are. Okay, guys, let's go. Weekly time frame. Ultra bearish. Look at this. Blue line under the brown line. Ultra bearish. Not good. We are buying red candles. RSI is here on the upside. What can we see? We have here the resistance line. Okay. And it's a long way up to the resistance line. The next thing what you can watch, let me show you what we can check here from the deepest point. Let me show you a line over this point here to the upside. So guys, interesting. If we are watching at the weekly RSI, look at this point here. We are now about maybe to hit this line. So maybe we can go down a little bit more, maybe 37,000. It's not impossible to touch this RSI line here on the downside. After this, maybe to see a pump to the upside. Yes, that's possible. That's not impossible. We have to watch it. We have not so much space here to the support. And you can see we are going down a little bit more. So, okay, why not? Why not to go down here a little bit more? That's the weekly time frame. Let's check the daily time frame. Bearish. Blue line under the brown line. We're buying red candles. Yes. You know it. We lost on the daily ribbon band. We lost EMA. Yes, you know it. We are going down with the RSI, and we saw an oversold RSI. So maybe we can see a next move to the upside. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's make here a little line. This is a resistance line. And what we must break this resistance line now to the upside. We must fight back this point here. If we can see on the daily a fight back over this line here, this would be a bullish sign. But for the moment, now okay, let's watch. Let's watch more. 4 hour time frame. Here we are. 4 hour time frame, the downside. And this is now nice. Look at this. We saw a bullish cross here on the 4 hour time frame. The little time frame is a little bit better here for the moment. You can see it here across. Blue line is over the brown line. We are buying the first green candle here. Nice. And what can we see if we're watching the ribbon band? The RSI. We can see this one. Big resistance, a little space to the upside. We need to break the resistance to the upside. This would be the next bullish move. If we can see this on the 4 hour time frame, this would be a bullish sign. We need to watch. 1 hour time frame. So what's going on the 1 hour time frame? So much drawings here, Biddy. Oh no. Let's remove this stuff. Let's remove. Here we are. So we see here the RSI is going up. The price is going down. Is this a divergence? No, it's going up here, and it's okay. It's okay. The MACD is bullish. You can see blue line over the brown line. The green lines are here. Everything is okay. We are going up here. Can we make one thing? Can we make, let me check here, a line, highest point, lowest point. That's the easiest thing to make a line. And yes, we have also some space here to the upside. Why not to break out over the ribbon band? I hope so. Please, come on. Bitcoin, break over the ribbon band. Break this damn EMA. Break it up to the upside. Okay, this is the next stuff. But it's not looking so nice, guys. It's not looking so good. We saw now the indicators. We saw now some things I will show you now before we end the video. I know it's really long today. If you are here again in the video, or if you are here in the video since long time, thanks for watching. GM 43,300 retest. That would be nice. Yes, possible. Big thing I showed you is this line. Watch this line here. This is the big resistance line, and we have also a little resistance line also to watch. So we have, yes, I know we have some things to watch here. a lot of things to watch here, but this one is also a big thing. So the price here on the upside depends always where we can hit the line, maybe here, is about 44,000 maybe. So this is a big thing we need to watch also. And I told you, watch the Fibonacci retracement, and you can see there is a next big target. So these are the targets to the upside, guys, to watch. Now, I would like to show you, last but not least, one bad stuff, guys. We end this video with a next bad thing. I would like to show you this, and then you can tell me in the comments, what are you thinking about it? You know the M pattern, you know the shoulder head shoulder pattern. These are all bad things. You know the targets, 11,000 to the downside, you know 15,000. This is all the bad stuff. I know it, guys. But I have something more to show you. Here is the Ichimoku Cloud. This is not good. You can see it here. Blue line, blue line and red line are here. We have big resistance here on the upside, 44,500, big resistance. Next one, big resistance is here, 46. And if we are watching, last but not least, here this resistance points, we have to watch this one, 42.7, 44, and 44.8. So you know now everything. 44.8 here is this. Yes, it's measuring not so bad here, guys. But now I have to show you this one. Please sit back, watch. This is the golden and death cross indicator. What's happening for the moment? We are ending the video now, and what can we see? We saw a death cross. We went down. We saw a golden cross. We went up. What's going on here? Is this the next death cross? Will we see the death cross? Or can we go up here very fast to put this green line up here more and more, that this will not cross the red one? If we will see here the next death cross, we would go down here really hard. I think the M pattern is playing out. The shoulder head shoulder pattern is maybe playing out if this will happen. And if we will lose our big thing here to the downside, I told you the line, watch it. If we will lose this point, I think we have some really bad cards for Bitcoin. And this is the end for the video. I will end this live stream now. I will end this video now. Thanks for watching.